In this video we will know how to use a screen recorder which is included in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Will feel absolutely free. So if you see, I have opened Google Chrome, and there you have to press window button, window L and R to run the screen recording option. Okay, there you can see the recording has started already, and I can show you some. I just recording some screens, you can see that. Okay, so we can directly stop from that recording button, and we can also use that mic button to on or off the audio recording option. Okay, there it is. So let's stop this. The screen recording is saved in that. Just click on that. There it is. All recordings are there. Okay, let's see. So that was very good, and now there is the gallery where all files are saving after recording. You can click on that folder option, and that will get to you that in the recording folder directly, where all files will be saved. Okay, so if you want to run again that screen, you have to press Window plus G, then those options will appear directly. Okay, and there is some customization options also, you can check it, and there is a screenshot option. You can take a screenshot, you can take recording from the buttons also, but shortcut is very good. As I said, if you want to capture a screenshot, you can press Window plus Alt plus print screen button. So let's check one more time the screen recording. Actually, the screen recording is only work on some softwares, like if you have open browser, if you have open software and you want to record that, then it will record. But when you minimize, when you go to desktop, that will automatically stop, that will automatically be saved. So that was an issue with that, because also that was only for Xbox games recording, screen recording, so that's why that error is there. So if you want to record something, you stay open your browser or software to record it. Otherwise it's the best free and without any watermark screen recorder for any window. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe us.